that will be given by the Minister of Defense. Everybody else that will speak is given only 5 minutes, except those 5 people. And if you are speaking more than 5 minutes, I will clear my throat. If you do not take note of that, if I clear my throat the second time, then you will be switched off. And I don't think you will want to have that. Now, we will leave here not a minute later than 1 o'clock. Your Eminence, agreed. You see, my first task is done. In my village, when I was growing up, we had a policeman, very tough, and they always give him a very difficult investigation to carry out. And when you go to him to beg, he was an illiterate, he never went to school. And when he wanted to show you that he's a no-nonsense man, he would say, my duty must be due. So my duty must be due. Your Eminence, my duty has been due. About this particular issue of Boko Haram, we don't even know where Boko Haram stops and banditry starts and kidnapping begins. They are all mixed together. We can't go on this way. Surely we can't. And something must be done. And the beginning of something being done is this book, Scars, Nigeria's Journey and the Boko Haram Conundrum. I hope and I appeal that those who have things to say, who know things that we should know, come up. And by the time we put, even those who have been on the other side, who have been part or supporter of Boko Haram, for whatever Boko Haram is, let them write, let them speak up. And that way, we will be able to find solution to this ugly problem, which cannot continue to go without bringing it to an end. I want to thank you, General, for making me to write the forward and for bringing me up here, even when I pleaded with you that it be an overkill. Thank you very much.